Hi guys, gonna have another go at another white wings. This one is the Hawker Siddeley Harrier. Got a bit of a curved bit for the nose there, or air intakes. That'll be that bit there. So we'll have another go at cutting it out with scissors today. Oh, this is the pack it comes from. White Wings Jet Planes. 1992. Item AG1504. Right, let's go for it. In the last video I was talking about changing from using the sharp knife to using scissors. I'm saying I was concerned about cutting it with scissors because it puts a bend into the card. Well, I'm not sure whether it did or it didn't. That particular plane didn't fly quite as well as the earlier ones did, but it was a low wing rather than a high wing. And low wing aircraft or models tend to be less stable, so that may have been the reason. In the picture on the box, they do show you cutting it out with scissors, so I think I was worrying unnecessarily. I'll still take care. Let's do those bits first. Mike Flight suggested I just use these as templates to make balsa models, which, yeah, it would probably work, but that's really not the point of me trying to do a set of white wings builds. You know, I want to build them as white wing card aeroplanes. I'm sure they would make nice little balsa aeroplanes. But that's not the point. These are supposed to be card. And back to the thing about cutting them with a knife or cutting them with scissors. I still feel that I'm bending them as I'm cutting them. I do hope this is in focus. The other thing I've been talking about while I've been doing these is when I'll actually get to fly them. These are designed to be flown either in a large games hall, gym or something like that where you've got lots of space, or outdoors because they're catapult launch. So I just don't know when I'm going to get to do that. It's winter time now, it's wet outside, it's not snowing yet, probably won't snow, you never know, but either way it's going to be too wet to actually take one of these outside and fly it, because it'll land in the grass and it'll get soaked. And that'll ruin it. Now we see if we glue it together. In case you're wondering, that's just a piece of cane that I'm using the point to score along the edge so I can make the fold easier. And you'll probably notice I've changed to the glass board, cutting board, just so we get a good flat surface to glue things together on. Can't be quite so accurate with this little tube rather than that squirty bottle I was using. I thought I'd try it. Right, the wing does have a little bit of dihedral, only 5 degrees. Five degrees is nothing, is it? With such small wings, it's going to be a fast flyer, isn't it? Like a dart. Right. Some extra glue on all the joins. Well, that's done. I'll leave that to dry and then we'll see if we can get it to fly at all in the kitchen. But as usual, it really isn't designed to be flown indoors. Well, it flies, but it's got to be flown outdoors. I'll just ruin it bashing it into things indoors. And it's pretty solid and hard, so you can, well, I'll probably edit it out, but when it hits the wall behind, it's a loud bang. So, there we go. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.